Most failed grow rooms fail on layout. Wrong spacing, wrong flow rate, wrong electrical load before a single seed is sown. The farm designer at plantmood.farm is step one of the plant mood farm flow. You can open it without logging in, drag equipment, draw pipes, preview in 3D, and export your plan. If you want to save that design and pick it up later, or connect it to batches, the operator floor plan, and the rest of your dashboard, you need to sign in and hit Save Design. At the top bar, Tutorial opens a step-by-step walkthrough of the entire designer. UI Guide highlights each area of the screen with numbered callouts, useful on a first visit. The mode chips are 2D, 3D, and pipe mode. 2D is where you place and move equipment on the floor plan. 3D is a perspective preview of the same layout, orbit and zoom to check height and clearance. Pipe mode draws links between items. Choose water or electric, then tap two compatible objects to connect them. The left sidebar is where the room is defined. Set your farm name, country, city, and room dimensions. Width, length, and clear height in meters. The grid and 3D preview respect those limits. Below that, drag equipment tiles onto the canvas. Racks, towers, channels, tanks, pumps, outlets, and more. Once you have placed equipment, the right panel updates live. Objects on plan lists every item. Click a row to select it and edit its properties. Label, notes, position, size, LED planning, and tariff settings. Below that, expandable summaries react to your layout. Resource summary totals, planting capacity, water, pumping, and power loads. Financial summary gives rough revenue and cost scenarios from your layout and energy inputs. Self-consumption estimates translates yield into daily grams and portions. Handy for home growers, sizing a personal supply. Export opens a menu with 2D floor plan as PNG, current 3D view as PNG, preset 3D angles, and a complete farm design as PDF with all views included. 15 minutes here answers the questions every build guide assumes you already know. How many trays fit, how long the pipe run is, whether the electrical load is realistic, and whether the room pays before you cut pipe or sign a lease. Design for free, save when you are ready. Farm Designer link is in the description. No login to try it. Sign in when you want the layout saved to your account to manage and operate your farm.